Welcome to Commodity TV, ladies and gentlemen. Today, the chart check with Florian Grummes. He's the CEO of the Midas Touch Consulting, and he's one of the best chartists in precious metals, especially, but also Bitcoin and also mining stocks. Florian, welcome.
Thanks for having me.
Great that you are here. Let's start with Bitcoin. It was really amazing, the development in the last weeks and months, but I think especially last week, like Friday, it was really going bananas, right?
Yes, I mean the volatility is skyrocketing in the Bitcoin market at the moment. Last Friday, I think $300 within a couple of minutes, due to the SEC announcement that they don't allow this Bitcoin ETF. I think the whole cryptocurrency sector is in a strong bull market. You can see not only Bitcoin is making new all-time highs, also the smaller altcoins like Dash and Ethereum going through the roof, actually. This is very strong sector, very interesting sector, very complex. You have to think out of the box. It's something totally new. And I think the truth is we had a huge technology breakthrough with this cryptocurrency and the blockchain, and people slowly, step by step, waking up to the fact that this will change our whole society, and especially the money system.
Yeah, that's
because
for sure.
You often talk about it. We all know the financial system isn't in a bad shape. There are some problems. Nobody knows how to solve them. And the cryptocurrencies, I don't know whether it will be Bitcoin in the end, but the cryptocurrencies in general could be an alternative and a solution maybe for mankind.
If you look at the chart, what might happen next? I mean, now you're at 1250 Bitcoin, right?
1238 at the moment, yes. I mean, we are overbought, obviously. Strong rally. I mean, we had this setback in January. I thought it would take a little bit longer until the bulls get the next attack going, but we're making new all-time highs. So basically, everything's bullish. But I personally recommend to wait and not chase these high prices. We are overbought. We can easily see a setback, a pullback towards the 200-day moving average, 900, 950.
Okay. Well,
so that's where I would be buying more Bitcoins.
Okay, good. Well, that's a statement. Super. Let's come to the real assets, to the real values, gold and silver especially. What's up in the gold market? It was a bit of a bumpy road the last weeks.
Yes, we had this strong rally since mid of December until end of February. Gold touched my target around the 200-day moving average at 1263. And since then, we got a pullback, kind of fast and steep, but basically to be expected. The first attempt to get over the 200-day moving average usually fails in every market, so it's nothing new for the gold market too. And we are sitting now around 1200. I have experienced quite some fear and panic already from my readers last week, which was surprising to me.
That's really surprising.
So I think that the surprise already is on the upside again. But I'm kind of like hesitating. I think that until the summer, gold needs more time to build a base here, a fundament to finally start a larger rally that will take us to 1500. So we might go a little bit lower. We have an embedded bearish stochastic at the moment, short term. We are oversold, but I think 1180 we still could go there. And I recommend to slowly buy and add to positions. Don't chase the market. Don't open one position immediately. Slowly, small positions, because it will take time until the summer, I think, until the precious metal sector is ready to move higher.
Super. What's with the little brother silver? Because there are a little bit unusual high short positions in the COMEX, right?
Yeah, I mean, we have this high commercial short position since many months already, and the question is, how will this end? Usually it ends with a crash.
Or a big bang.
A big sell-off, but there's also the possibility that we get a short squeeze. So we have to watch this, I think, over the next couple of weeks and months. If they are not able to cover their shorts until the summer, we might get a short squeeze somewhere in autumn, and that could take silver rapidly to $26. So right now, short term until the early summer, I'm hesitating, but I think the second half of this year will be pretty good for the precious metal sector and also for the miners.
Exactly, for the mining stocks, because when the underlying is moving, the miners are moving.
Yes, and the miners are already a step ahead in this little correction cycle that we're in right now. They started the correction 2 weeks before gold and silver, which was a warning signal. And they are very oversold now in the short term, in the daily charts. So I'm dabbling on some of the mining stocks right now. I also think they will need some more time. I think we're going to get a complex consolidation pattern in the precious metal sector until summer. And then the market should be ready for the next leg up.
Super, perfect. Florian, thank you very much for that statement.
Yep.
And we will watch you carefully.
Yes,
thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, there was Florian Grummes, the CEO of Midas Touch Consulting. And yeah, you heard it. Bitcoin, it was a little bit bumpy and shaky last week, especially. It's around 1238 Bitcoin and maybe ready for a little correction down to 950 level. Gold, yeah, still you have to wait for sure. It's getting maybe until the early summer, but add slowly but surely some positions below the 1200 level. And silver is a bit in a special situation because the shorts are now for months and months going on. They are not covering, they're even rising, and yeah, that's a dangerous situation. First of all for the market, but secondly also for the shorties themselves, because yeah, the last short squeeze in 2010 led from like $15, $17 up to 49. So let's hope this is the case the same time this time. Thank you very much for watching us. Bye bye from Munich. Bye bye from Commodity TV.
Thank you. Bye bye.